In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add paid time off, or PTO, in Gusto. Understanding how to manage PTO effectively is crucial for maintaining a well-balanced workplace, and Gusto makes this process quite accessible. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together so you can efficiently manage your team's time off requests. First, you'll want to log into Gusto with your administrator credentials. It's important to use an admin account because that's where you have the authority to manage employee records and make changes to PTO. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Time and Attendance section. You'll find this in the main menu. Click on it, and from there, choose the Time Off option. This area is your hub for all things related to employee time off. Now, let's focus on how to actually record the time off for an employee. Scroll down the page until you see the option that says Record Time Off for an Employee. Alternatively, if you're managing a specific employee, you can directly go to their profile. Navigate to the employee's profile by finding them in your employee list, and once you're there, click on the Time Off tab. In this tab, you'll see an option to record that employee's time off. This flexibility means you can either manage requests from a general standpoint or by focusing on individual employees. Once you've accessed the appropriate recording option, it's time to input the details of the PTO. You'll need to enter the date or dates for which the employee is requesting time off. Be precise with these dates to avoid any confusion down the line. After setting the dates, specify the number of hours the employee will be taking off. It's crucial to ensure that this aligns with your company's PTO policy and the employee's current balance. Next, select the appropriate PTO policy. This might include options like vacation or sick leave. Choosing the correct policy is key because it affects how the time off is categorized and impacts the employee's remaining balance. Be sure you understand the distinctions between these policies based on your company's specific guidelines. Finally, once all the details are accurately filled out, click Record Time Off. This action will automatically approve the entry and update the employee's balance in real time. Such instantaneous updates help keep everyone informed and reduce the likelihood of miscommunication. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add PTO in Gusto. By following these steps, you can ensure that employee time off is managed smoothly and efficiently, maintaining both organizational harmony and compliance with your company's policies. Thank you for watching, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it